Hey, good day everyone. How are you? I hope you are very well. I am André Felipe Peña Quinchilla, studying of the System Engineering Program of the University Piloto of Colombia Alto Mandanela Sessional 7th semester. It is a pleasure to shade space with you. This video presentation has the purpose of supporting and provide my point of the view about the science article of the application on operational research in the second language, which is the title Energetic and Operational Model of the Water System of the Thermoelectric Plant to the Linear Program using the simplex method. So, with you, let's go to it. This study represents an exit advance in the field of the operational research amplitude the thermoelectric power generation. My opinion of the article is the strength positive. This author of the method at evaluate work in the linear program and the simple method to demolish the water system in the thermoelectric plant. They approach of the new perspective of the half the can automation is the critical sector of the energy industry. The article is the importance of operational efficiency in the production of the thermoelectric energy and reveal and in the world where the substance and the resource managed are the fundamental. Using linear programming not only helps optimize the outcome of the significant clause have the more substance energy production. The author of the article said of the object first. The soft the model water system of the thermoelectric plants include the supreme distribution and roof for the water is the maintained environment is the of the water resource. In addition, the bees are the task of optimization management of the resource to improve operational efficacy of the environment impact. A thermoelectric plant is a facility that generates electric use of the energy source. Up is a core is of the combustion of the fossil as the core natural gas for the water and generate steam. This steam drive on the turbines and the turbine drive electrical generation to produce energy. The operation of the thermoelectric plant implies the critical need for the water for the generation and cooling. The supply, distribution, and management of the water are the fundamental elements for the efficient operation of this facility. Key importance of the water management is a thermoelectric plant linear programming with the simplest method. Is begin with and powerful to the optimum operation. The simplest method is a specific algorithm to the linear program efficient. This to you explore multiple solutions at the optical of one. This is why linear program and the simplest method are essential is thermoelectric where the F is where the managed or which in the tool contribute to the substance and the efficiency of the electrical production. Operation research with and the article focus on the process optimization. This trailers is a significant improvement in the energetic effect of the thermoelectric plant. This article demonstrates how informed and the decision have the two more efficient power generation of the for and reduction in the operation scopes. Decision making support time be linear programming and the simplest method of in the article hours the minimization of the operation costs. This may include reduced expense related to water supply, the combustion of the fossil, and the other resources. One of the most appreciated aspects of the operation research is the ability to contribute sustainability. The thermoelectric plant benefits from a more responsive use of the water and energy, which of the important is the work and in the preservation of the resource and the reduction of the emission. The implementation of the decision path of the operation resource cap improves the competition of the thermoelectric plant in the energy market by reducing cost and improving efficiency. Thermal power plants are the resource of the power generation. They are able to operate continuous and stable, which is crucial for them meeting the energy demand of the modern society. This plant of the fossil fuel source of the core natural gas to generate electricity. A fossil would remain a primary source of the energy if many parts of the world. Thermal power plants play an essential role in energy supply. Thermal power plants can be located in different locations. May have is the versatility of the ability to produce the power in regions that they now have served as the hydroelectric of nuclear power plants. As the world faces change related to the cliff, the sustainability is essential that the thermal power plants operate more efficiently and sustainably. The article where is discussed the importance of the operational research and the linear of the water managed and the reduce the environmental impact of the facility. Thermal power plants are the fundamental part of the global power grid. Their ability to generate power in the large and the make to the essential component is the mountain of the stability and reliability. The process of application, the simplest method in the article, begins with the formulation of the problem, which focus on the efficient management of the water system in a thermoelectric plant, followed with the creation of the mathematical model that represent the system, include the relationships, the variables of the kind of the water system. At this point, the simplest method becomes essential to the forming of the model. The other function related to the optimization is the identification of the simple methods in application of the model. Optimizing the function is the subsequent iteration. Once the simple method have and the optimal solution of the form, the result and the evaluate on the practical implementation in the operational of the thermoelectric plant is the carried out, which contribute to the improving the efficiency and the sustainability of water the managed and ultimate to the over one operational efficiency. The result are derived from the simple method and the implemented the operational of the plant thermoelectric. The application of the mathematics or the simple methods in the article, the most is the significant but is the solving complex problem is the management of the thermoelectric plant. The simplest method is a robust and the effective mathematical approach on the other linear programming problems. Its implementation is the contents it reflects in the several aspects. In the article, a mathematical model representing the thermoelectric plant system work and the formulate. This model includes equations that describe the interaction with the variables related to the water managed. So the amount of the water is often assumed contract, so the of a water and operational contract. Mathematics and the simple method, the optimization of the water resource is the thermoelectric plant worth the archive. This means making informed decision about the effects of water in the different processes and how the minutes consumed contribute the effects and the sustaining of the operation. The application of the mathematical provide results and the mathematical support data. First, the use of the simple method of the powerful of the optimization the operational effect of the thermoelectric power plant. This starts in the bearer of the resource source of the water and maximum energy effects. Then award the word effic and sustaining are essential the improves of the word the evaluate. In addition, the mathematics of the dream provide the simplest method assure and addition of objective and supported with solid evidence. This is critical from decision is an industry critical and energy where the mistakes can the significant consequence. The simple method of the green agility in the digital marketing. Be an optimization thermal power plant can adapt to the change operational and environment conditional effects. This is a specialist where and variable in energy support and demand is on the constants. The application of the simple methods in thermoelectric operation brings benefits in the terms of the efficient substance, adapt decision making, the optimization. The mathematical results through the application of the linear programming and the simple method have represented the optimization table certificate by the graph of the in-depth of the impact of the management of thermoelectric power plant. Optimizing operational effects and the minimize resource consumed supervise the resource and essential is the ever-evolving energy environment. mathematical and they start on the ability of the approach to make informed decision, improving sustainability and reduce operation costs. In addition, they provide a strong justification for in the operational research and the application of advanced mathematical technology in the management of the thermoelectric plants. In summary, the mathematical and statistical and data approach to the address operational change in the energy industry, contributing a more efficient of the substance operation in the thermal power plant. Finally, the reference stand where the account to the elaborate this video and show. Thanks and for today friends. Thank you very much for your attention.